right now. I came back from Pune. I was there for around 10-11 days. But now we gotta grind because my exams are like in 2 days, and I've been studying for like 3-4 hours now. I'm studying entrepreneurship and I am kind of tired, so I couldn't vlog that. But yeah, from tomorrow I'll be vlogging and I'll show you guys how I study, and I'm gonna sleep. I'm really tired. I am planning to wake up before 6. Also, I look horrible right now, excuse me for that. And I didn't vlog this time in Pune because it was really hectic, even though I was there for 10 days. But it was really hectic. My exam starts from 3rd December and it's gonna end around 12-13 December. And after that I have Christmas break, so I'll be going back again. So I was just making some notes. This is basically the printout of the PDF that we've gotten. Also guys, look at my bookmark. That's so cute, isn't it? It's a cute little Saraswati Mata. It's 12:47. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep right now and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. So I woke up around 8:30. I couldn't wake up before 6 because that was impractical because I slept around 2. So yeah, I needed that sleep. So I showered. Now I'm going down for breakfast and then we're gonna go to college to collect our admit card and study there. Season. I don't know what I'm gonna have. इतनी शांति मैंने कॉलेज में कभी नहीं देखी. It's literally dark because there's no one. आज study leave था, but I still decided to come and study in college because it's a lot better. रूम में पढ़ाई नहीं होती. I just feel kind of lazy. इतनी शांति देखी है तुमने कभी कॉलेज में? There's literally no one. It's all empty. We came on the 3rd floor to check if there's momos. Like our usual momo wala bhaiya. But koi nahi hai. So we're gonna go back to the canteen. New shoes. I'm thinking to have pani puri, or what should I have? done studying for the day. Not for the day actually, but like yeah, in college. It's 3 and then we're gonna go home, take some rest. Back in hostel, it was a nice study session. It was productive. Now I'm gonna rest for a bit and then grind again. Hi guys, we've come to Starbucks for studying. भाई आज हमें कहीं शांति मिल ही नहीं रही है. Not even Starbucks. I thought Starbucks में आगे पढ़ाई होगी. I thought Starbucks में पढ़ाई होगी, but then there's like a group, a bunch of people. Carrot cake.
The syrup,
chicken tikka
the syrup's gonna come. Chicken tikka sandwich.
Chicken tikka sandwich, carrot cake. Starbucks. You know I'm gonna be having carrot cake like properly for the first time.
Huh?
Yeah.
तो Theobroma नहीं खाया?
Theobroma, I didn't like Theobroma carrot cake.
क्या? अरे ये तो पियावी. It's good?
I like carrot cake. It's a 9 on 10.
Too good, too good.
Done with our study session.
Oh my god, I am hooked. You can tell by how I look that I studied hard.
We were there for almost like 4 hours. We reached there around 5:30 and now it's currently
I need sleep.
9:30. We're gonna grab something to eat. I'm not that hungry because we had coffee, sandwich and that carrot cake. So yes. It was a nice study session. I know you're cooked. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I don't know what to eat.
What do you want to eat?
Good morning, you guys. It is 7:30 in the morning. It is the next day. So I just came back yesterday around like 10:30 and slept because I was really tired. I studied marketing yesterday, but I have an EP exam today. EP is entrepreneurship. So I was basically kind of done with EP beforehand. So just thought to do marketing yesterday because I have it tomorrow and there's a lot to cover. So yeah, right now I just sat to revise. I'm gonna do that and get ready for college and then we'll leave. Set for exam, I revised, I am prepared. Hopefully it goes well. I have practiced a lot of questions and read through every single PDF. So yeah, I'll update you guys after the exam. Hi you guys, I'm back. So I didn't vlog after yesterday's exam. It went really well. I'm hoping to get like an A+, but fingers crossed that I get O. O is like the highest. So yeah, that went well. And today I have marketing and I'm gonna leave for college in like half an hour. It is 10:44 right now. There is so much to cover. Like there's so many PPTs that I have to go through and it is very tiring because I'm not used to like, you know, studying on the laptop. I like to read like from books, but yeah, since we don't have one, so I'm just managing. I'm just hoping that it goes well because it's mostly like thoda bahut 12th ka hai, but like in a little bit of depth. And since it's a Friday, I'm relieved. I have 2 more days for like the coming exams, so I'm gonna come home and sleep. Literally, I can't wait for that. Like I can't wait for 1:30, like when the exam gets over and I'm back home and just resting in my bed. So yeah, I'll update you guys after the exam. How was your exam?
Amazing.
Dude, it was legit. ऐसा लग रहा था मैं 12th का पेपर वापस दे रही हूँ. Like the topics that she told and the topics that were new, वो तो आया भी नहीं.
It was too easy,
legit.
too
It was
easy.
too easy.
And she has the same questions, 2 questions for promotion mix, 1 question for distribution channel, and 1 difference. That's it.
Yup. It went well. So yes. Hi guys, so I am back in my room. We had food, we had avocado toast and mango, and I am now finally in my bed. I'm gonna take a short nap and then we're going for dinner today. Also, look what Spadan got me. He got me Chalky Chalky, like y'all. Who doesn't like Chalky Chalky? He got me Chalky Chalky and protein bar. W friend. Anyways, so I'm gonna take a nap right now and then we're gonna leave for dinner. Come along with me. I hate this pimples, but we can't do anything. It was a nice fat nap. I am so like refreshed now. So we're gonna get ready and head out. I am so happy. So yeah, I'll go and get freshened up. I'll get ready and then let's head out. Hi guys, we came to drink because iski family is like half an hour behind, so we had to kill time. Hence we came for the matcha.
by spending money. That's how we kill
I
time.
wanted to have the truffle fries. It's amazing drink ka. So yeah,
I swear to God, if they don't have the matcha today,
matcha paglu.
shut up.
We only got matcha and we're now walking towards Mia Kebab. Because we had to reserve a table there as well.
We're gonna come later to drink.
Yes, we're gonna come later to drink. But oh my god, the truffle fries are to die for. Trust me. Mia Kebab में 1 घंटे का reservation था. So, for like 6 people, that's it. Now we're going to Veranda. Yes. It's a 7-minute walk. Looks like a huge broccoli, honestly. I love the decor. It's not as spicy as I expected.
It's not
It is
spicy at all. My ears are blasting.
Hey guys, I'm back home. I just came back from dinner. It was really fun. I had a great time. While the greatest and the best part was honestly, so they're like some cool rickshaws with like cool lighting and like the music system that they have. So I got one, Abhi, and literally the whole ride I was vibing with songs like OG Bollywood songs. It was amazing. Had a lot of food and then we went to 99 Pancake for dessert. And yes, it was great. Now I'm just gonna remove all the makeup that I've put, change into my night dress, and then I'm gonna sleep. It's the day of my Principles of Management exam. So I've been in my bed because it's really cozy and I don't want to get up. I really want to go back to sleep. But yeah, I've been in my bed. I'm just revising. Since the morning, I woke up around 6. So yeah, I'm just going through questions and answers. I did not shoot like a single bit for finance exams. It was really hectic. I had to study a lot. So I'm really sorry for that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated for the rest too. We have 2 more exams left after today's exam. So today is POM and then I have psychology left and Excel, AI tools and Excel left, so they both are chill, so that's fine. But I still cannot wait for them to get over. I want to go home and enjoy my Christmas vacation as soon as possible. I swear.
Supplement आएगा इतना. Rashta, also the exam was, don't even ask, like, see, the questions were nice, but I didn't like the way, because उसमें था कि question 1 A and B part, A part आ रहा था, B part नहीं आ रहा था, literally it was a very easy exam, it was like another, if you want to do fifth question, then A and B both.
Hi guys, so now I've sat down to practice psychology question and answers. I've just started writing. So also today's exam review, it was the worst PM exam I've ever, I mean it was just the second PM exam, but it was bad. So the thing is, I hated the question paper pattern. I just hated it. उसमें पता है क्या हुआ था? Question paper pattern was basically, suppose question 1, they had 2 parts, which was like A part and B part, and they were not related at all. Alright, they were completely 2 different questions, but एक question में 2 part था, कोई relation नहीं था, nothing, but साथ में थे, and there were 6 questions like that with 2 sub parts not related at all, and उसमें से I had to attempt any 3. By literally the thing with me that was happening, not with me, my like friends as well. So उसमें मेरे को A part आ रहा है but B part नहीं आ रहा है, and both are compulsory, so I can't even switch कि मुझे चल second question का B part आ रहा है and first question का A part आ रहा है, so I can write वो दोनों. But I can't do that. If I'm choosing to do question 1, I have to compulsorily attempt both the parts. That was the thing. I hated that. Like मुझे अलग अलग पार्ट्स आ रहे थे, बट एक भी ऐसा ढंग का क्वेश्चन नहीं था जिसमें मेरे को दोनों पार्ट्स आ रहे थे. सो दैट वॉज द सिचुएशन, एंड आई विल नेवर ओवर थिंक अगेन. लाइक लिटरली वॉट आई डिड वॉज, मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन अच्छे से आता था, ठीक है, मैंने अच्छे से पढ़ा था उसके लिए, बट I just had to overthink and had to go with my gut feeling, and obviously gut feeling wrong गया. I literally knew that question, but मैं कुछ और ही लिख के आई, and still it was in the back of my head that चलो I'll write both of like the answers that I'm thinking, एक जिसमें से correct था and एक जो मेरा gut feeling कह रहा था, but I wrote the gut feeling वाला first and I completely forgot to write the correct answer, so I'm not gonna get any points there. Anyways, POM is like one of my favorite subjects, so इसलिए मेरे को इतना affect कर रहा है. Anyways, moving from that, now we're gonna do psychology. Bro, I don't even know मेरे को psychology है क्यों. Like, I am studying management. Psychology क्यों है मुझे? Anyways, it's okay. No hard feelings. It's the last paper of psychology because एक ही semester के लिए था. So next semester I'll be having some other subject. Yeah, that's enough yapping. Now I'm gonna go and study. Hi guys, so the psychology exam went well. Now I'm gonna go for lunch with my sisters, and my mom is coming from Pune. So I'm very excited for that. I'll take you all along with me. Hi guys, so I'm preparing for the last exam, which is AI tools in Excel. So I also did practice on the laptop, but I'm just writing some of the shortcuts just to retain it better. Hello you guys, exams are finally over. So I just came home after giving my Excel exam. It went pretty well, it was nice. I'm expecting full marks or max to max 1 या 2 marks कटेंगे, max to max if something goes wrong. And leaving that, exams to गए. Now I am all set. I'm gonna be leaving hostel today, and we're going to my Masi's, like my sister's house. My mom's here, so we're going over there. And I have packed and everything, so I'm all set to leave. And I'm gonna be in Bombay till Saturday, and then Sunday morning we're gonna leave for Pune, and I'll meet my dad. And yeah, finally Christmas break has officially started. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot of fun things, so stay tuned for that. I've packed my bags. That is my main suitcase. That is some like random like khali tiffin which I'm gonna bring back with lot of ghar ka khana. That is my laptop bag, and yeah, that's all. We're set to leave. Let's go.